What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I'm pretty excited for this one. It's kind of a treat for all of you. I'm heading to the track, Willow Springs Raceway, with my brother-in-law. He's gonna track his E36. He's been building it for a few months, and I gotta tell you, it's a beast of a car. My gosh, like just the amount of work that he has put in and just all the custom work that he has done. It's literally inspiring for me to do one too, for me to buy a car and fix it as how he did. I mean, honestly, it's a real work of art. But I'm excited because this is his first time tracking this particular build. I believe he's on his third track build. The last car he had was an E30, which was a beautiful car, and he tracked it several times. And this one is his first time tracking it, I believe. So it's on the trailer. His exact words: I'm gonna trash this car. I'm going to abuse it. So it's on the trailer because, you know, he, I don't know, it may not be operable after he destroys it on the track. So I'm excited, guys. It's my first time going. I'm gonna see other cool builds. I was told that there's a lot of M cars that will be there today. So get ready for some sick BMW builds, guys. So anyways, enough of me talking. Let's get to the track. So we're basically gonna get it onto the trailer, drive it all the way to Willow Springs. Doing it right.